What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Vigorous Shooter, and today I will be reviewing this little bad boy, the Laowa 17mm 1.8. So today we're going to review and unbox this little guy, which is the Laowa 17mm 1.8. I was on the web searching for 17mm or 16mm just so I could get that 35mm full frame equivalent for my Z-Cam that I'm recording on right here, and it's a micro four thirds camera. And then I landed on this company, Laowa, and I saw what they had to offer. Full manual lens. I could tell it was a photo lens, but still, I saw some great reviews about it. So I decided to take the plunge and go ahead and try it out. Okay, to start off the unboxing, first, one thing I would say about the box, I thought it was a little bit minimal. Seeing that band around it, you know, I wasn't really impressed. It says on the box that it's an ultra wide angle lens. I don't know how accurate that is, but I guess I'll find out.
Okay, the box has a magnetic strip that allows you to open it with very little resistance, but then it keeps itself tightly shut. So that is something that I've never seen before in a lens box. I would say that's a great feature to have. When you open the box, you will see something that looks kind of like a check, but it's not. Don't cash it out. It's a guarantee card, aka your warranty for the lens. Then you will have the manual. The manual is pretty descriptive about the lens. It has a lot of good detailed information in it. It has the native language and then the English translation in the back. Next, you would get a quality control card, and I'm guessing that's to let you know that your lens has been through it and it passed the test, so you should have no problems or issues with this lens. And now the moment that we've all been waiting for, yeah, the Laowa 17mm 1.8. Now, seeing the lens in a plastic baggie kind of caught me off guard. The lens is super small, but it feels like a bullet as you hold it. You could tell it has a pretty good build quality, but overall, it's pretty decent. This thing is the length of my thumb. As you can see, it's not very long at all. I have a pretty average size hand, so you could kind of tell how small this thing is. And it also comes with a very small lens hood. Now, the aperture ring is very clicky, but it's very smooth at the same time. It's weird. It allows you to select the f-stops in between the clicks. So to me, that's a thumbs up right there. Even for the focus pull, it goes up to 180 degrees, and of course, it's very smooth too. And now let's take this lens out for a spin, because I want to see if it holds its weight. What I like about this lens is it's made for a micro four thirds mount, but it's a 35mm equivalent to full frame. I love that because 35mm for me is one of the best ranges that I like to shoot in. Love, 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 love. That makes me pretty happy. As I've been shooting with this thing, I realized that there's a lot of vignetting going around, especially from 1.8 to 5.6-ish. And then from there, it kind of goes away. But nonetheless, it's still there. I find this lens to be extremely sharp, and I'm the type of person that love sharp images. But on the other hand, it's very soft at 1.8. The softness seems to go away at 2.8, and at 4.0 it gets sharp, and at 5.6 it gets super sharp, and I think that's the best it gets. There's very little chromatic aberrations. Of course, it's apparent when you're shooting directly at the sunlight in a not so controlled environment, but when I did notice the chromatic aberrations, it was anywhere between 1.8 to 2.8. Now, one thing I would say I love about this lens is that it has a short focus distance, almost macro in a way. It's kind of scary, but nonetheless, once you get that close to a subject, oh, that bokeh in the background is just to die for. I would say it has a really good creamy finish to the image. The lens flares are pretty harsh. It's not my favorite at all, and of course it's a $150 lens, but at the end of the day, just stay away from shooting directly at the sunlight. because the flares aren't pleasing. Maybe you could use it as an effect for something, but for me, I think it's a little too harsh for my taste and my style. I would say overall, this lens is a pretty good buy. At a $150 price point, I'm very happy and pleased. I tried all my favorite shots and it didn't let me down. And as I was shooting with it, I kind of forgot that I had a small little bullet on my camera. And to me, that spoke a lot because the picture speaks louder than the lens. This lens is a lens that I would throw in my bag and leave it there because I know I will always use it. Don't know for what, but for sure I will try to squeeze it in there because I do love the quality that comes out of it. Maybe not for my main shot, but definitely for my backups and my B-rolls, especially when I need to get really close on a detail shot. This will definitely be one of my go-to lenses.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope this video gave you enough insight for you to make a buying decision on this lens. And if you guys want to purchase this little bad boy, I have my link down below that you could go through and purchase it. I hope you guys use it and give me a little kickback from it. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, remember, subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching the video once again, and I'll see you on my next one. Deuces.